Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Friday, February 7th, 2020. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make today. Please be seated. Celebrating birthdays today and this weekend, and we have Gabriel McCarsel in second grade, and tomorrow we have Scarlett, Sergio, and Jershelle celebrating birthdays. Happy birthday and have a great weekend. Today we are focusing on Rattlers being responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Announcements. I know that today it is Friday, so you should be in your Friday uniform. But make sure every day you are in your uniform unless we send out dojo messages to your parents because the past 2 days were a little chilly. We were doing an amazing job on ADA except yesterday. We fell way below our goal at almost only 96% when our goal is 97.5. Make sure that you're on time, you're dressed appropriately, and you are staying healthy by going to bed at a reasonable hour and eating healthy foods. Also, make sure you're washing your hands and using hand sanitizer. We have the flu, bronchitis, strep, all going around. And an announcement for our Candygram. So, this is sponsored by the Rattler Voices of Rhythm Choir Club. Put a little love in your heart and send your friends and teachers a Candygram. The price is 50 cents per Candygram. And you can see Miss Kelvin and Miss Garza, and they will be selling them under the pavilion during recess only. Don't go during your lunch today and next week. So make sure you go check that out. And we are keeping up with our theme of Black inventors this week. And we're in our celebration of Black History Month, which is the celebration of achievements by African Americans and a time for recognizing the central role of Blacks in U.S. history. This is Dr. Shirley Jackson. She was the first African American woman to earn a doctorate in nuclear physics at MIT. That is no joke. That is a huge accomplishment. Her experiments with theoretical physics paved the way for numerous developments in telecommunication space, including the touch-tone telephone, the portable fax, caller ID, call waiting, and the fiber optic cable. Today, Dr. Shirley is the 18th president of Cellular Institute in Troy, New York. Another inventor is Mr. Louis Latimer. Louis was born in 1848, and he collaborated with other scientists like Thomas Edison, and one of his greatest inventions was the carbon filament, which is a huge part of the light bulb. Light bulbs wouldn't work without this. His inventions didn't stop there. He also worked with Alexander Graham Bell, and he helped him draft the patent for his design of the telephone. So, if we did not have him, we would have not had a telephone or a light bulb. Our lives would be very, very different. This genius also designed an improved railroad car that had a bathroom and early air conditioning. So next time you're escaping a hot day inside your cool house, don't forget to thank Mr. Latimer. And we have Garrett Morgan. Those who survived either of the world wars, thanks to a gas mask, have him to thank. He created the first safety hood to help firefighters navigate smoky buildings, and later he modified it to carry its own air supply, making it the world's first effective gas mask. He also had a good sense to add a third position to the traffic signal. Yes, there was a time where they just were red and green, stop and go. in addition to further reduce automobile accidents. Please say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Make it a fantastic Friday, and remember, the choice is yours. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents of the students who are out and to message the ADA GroupMe. Have a great day.